My name is Christina and I want to become an accountant.
My name is Eliona. I want to become a doctor.
Biotechnology, engineer.
And I want to be an economist.
Become an orthopedic doctor after my schooling.
Make a Difference is a 501c3 nonprofit. We're registered in the United States. We are also registered in Tanzania, Africa, and we operate worldwide. We're an organization that has a vision of seeing children rise out of poverty and help their communities. Emphasize helping and giving back.
I was living like a street children, but now I am student, and when I pass in front of other people, people get to respect me as a student.
Shirika limenisaidia sana, limeniokoa mimi bibi, watoto walikuwa hawana baba na mama. Kama Subira sasa hivi alichukuliwa akiwa anasoma miaka miwili. Shabani na Juma walikuwa chekechea. Mpaka sasa hivi ndio hao wameendelea vizuri. Subira sasa yuko KCMC. Ni kama nesi wa kutarajiwa.
The education is basic. In Tanzania, as an example, we have many children who go to school and then they get an education, but they don't learn in English. And this is challenging because their exams, their national exams, are in English. To pass that exam, it's almost impossible, and they don't get the chance to go on to secondary school. So close to 70% of the children out there who are studying at primary level at government schools. We can't expect a lot from countries that have kids going to schools where they cannot learn the language that competes with the world, the language that enables them to get into companies and communicate with the world. So if they go to a school, they can't pass their exam, the teachers normally are not showing up for the full day, there's not enough food at the schools, at the government schools, nor are there books, nor are there computers. The kids need to pay for their desks, they need to pay for their uniforms, and they're not getting the English they need in order to compete with the world. So how are they going to succeed? We were helping about 2,000 in Zambia when we started out. They were all going to government school, but I was thinking, I don't feel like I'm making a difference. I'm not seeing the difference. The numbers are high, it looks good, but at the end of the day, these kids are not going to be able to compete with the world. So then I stopped and I listened to many of the locals who were sending their children to great schools. And I said, what is the difference? What do we need to do in order to help these kids truly rise out of poverty? And I was told, you've got to send them to English medium schools. Private schools, but their focus is English. So we send the children to English medium schools. They are more expensive than the government schools, but the difference is tremendous.
After I joined Make a Difference, they made me a good difference from me, because everything I got from there and the health, the way I am, is all about Make a Difference. The school that I had, and we could not even afford and get a good education like about now we are getting.
Make a Difference give me a way to achieving my goals.
And we shall build it a success to us and help other people who need it, who are focusing in it and acquired education like us, and they need the hospital, they need health, anything they want, we have to help them, because we have been made a difference. So in us, we have to make a big difference from other people.
Before, it was staying alive. We're going to keep them alive, but now we're going to make them thrive. We're going to help them change the world. That is why we are investing in quality education.